You need to hear this if you're a beginner in crypto trading. Let's simplify crypto trading with Kohinoor free gold. Cryptocurrencies are traded on platforms called exchanges. Think of them like digital marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Here's how it works. First, you need to create an account on an exchange. Then, deposit funds, which can be in the form of fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. Once funded, you can start trading. You'll see various pairs like BTC USD or ETH BTC. These pairs represent the value of one cryptocurrency against another. You can place orders to buy or sell at market price or set limits to get your desired price. Remember, the crypto market is volatile. Always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Want more tips and tricks? Subscribe to our channel and visit the link in the description for more from Kohinoor free gold crypto forex trading signals. Happy trading!